Today I am going to represent the topic of pollen pistil interaction and the double fertilization. So start. So firstly, the pollen grain will land on the surface of the stigma. Then the process of recognition of pollen grain through pistil will start, in which the pistil recognizes about the pollen grain. Either it is compatible and incompatible. If it is incompatible, means if the pollen grain is of wrong type, so the pistil will reject it by prevailing on the germination of its pollen tube. But if the pollen grain is of right type, means if it is compatible, so the stigma will allow it to germinate its pollen tube on the surface of the stigma, and this process happens due to the dialogue between the chemical components of pistil and pollen grain. After recognition, if the pollen grain is compatible, means if the pollen grain is right, then the pollen grain will germinate itself on the surface of the stigma, and it gets its nutrition for the germination through the tissue of the stigma. Then the pollen grain will, if it is in its 2-shed stage, then the germinative cell will divide itself into 2 male gametes. But if it is in its 3-shed stage, so it is already it has already its 2 male gametes in its structure. But in the majority of the flowers, the pollen grain will land on the stigma in its 2-shed stage, and it divides after landing on the stigma. Then the pollen tube will enter in the ovule through the micropylar ends. Through the micropylar ends of it, through the synergid of the filiform apparatus. And सर आगे की भी प्रोसेस बताओ सर एक